All right, I'm going to get right down to it. This is how I pay my mortgage every month using my digital art. And if you don't know me, hi, my name is Brooke. I am the owner of Happy Fox Supply Co. I sell reusable pattern straws and digital artwork and all kinds of other fun things. All right, this is my Etsy shop. And as you can see, it's full of digital artwork and physical items. So the way I make my passive income is I have lots of different listings of different kinds of digital art, but I'm also putting my artwork onto physical things too. I do this through print on demand, which is, or POD, which basically means I design the products that they already have and then they ship them and they make them. So I don't have to do anything on my end other than create the product and then list it in my Etsy. It's such a fun and quick way to get your art on things and start making passive money. I even have artwork that my daughter has drawn. If you see these little kitty cats right here, that is artwork that she has drawn, and she has actually made some money. I have a few of her patterns listed on my Etsy, and people have purchased them. So she's made about 20 or 30 bucks so far, and she's only 5 years old on her art, which I think is pretty dang cool. But as we're browsing, I hope you're noticing that I am not just selling one type of file. I'm actually selling a bunch of different types of files. And what I mean by that is I have this glass can wrap digital download in this Valentine's, but I also have that as a seamless file. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so I have it as a seamless file right here. I have it as a tumbler wrap. I have it in a different colorway as a seamless file. And I also have it as a blanket. So I have, branched out. So that way I'm kind of giving myself more of an opportunity to make a sale. And I'm going to put myself out there and show you guys the actual stats on some of these listings just to kind of prove my point. So this is a tumbler wrap digital download, and this has made me $259 since I posted it. But here's the seamless file, and that has only made me $54. So if I would have only listed the seamless file and not the tumbler wrap, I would have only made $54 from that. But because I branched out and I also made a tumbler wrap, I made a glass can wrap, which got me another $73. I also have a engravable file that I made from it, which got me another 34 bucks. I have a different colorway, which got me another 18. I have these shirts, which haven't sold anything yet, but that's fine with me. I have this other colorway, which also got me another 15. So my point is that this stuff all adds up. So it's really important to kind of branch out and make sure you're listing multiple things with your artwork and not just one thing, because you never know what's going to sell and what isn't going to sell. And I probably could have made a lot more money if I listed these as clip art. But for some reason, I just haven't really branched out into the clip art world yet, but I really should, because I bet I'm missing out on a lot of extra revenue right there too. So I just wanted to show you that it is possible to make money with your art. It's possible to do it all digitally and not have to actually do anything physical if you don't want to. But it takes a lot of work. This didn't just happen for me overnight. This shop has been open for 5 or 6 years, my Etsy shop, maybe even longer. And I have like over 200 seamless files listed. So it's not so much about getting rich fast. It's about building that trajectory and slowly kind of climbing. The more you get better at it and the more listings you get up, potentially the more money you make. And I'll put a bunch of resources in my description. I actually have a course that teaches you how to make seamless files, how to make the tumbler wraps, the glass can wraps. I also have another course that teaches how to list on Etsy if you're having trouble getting started with that, and the SEO and tags and all of that. And then if you're totally new to Procreate, I have a course on that too. So check the description below and let me know if this helped you guys. Be sure to subscribe for more. I'm going to be coming out with weekly content, all kinds of fun tips and tricks and whatever I feel like posting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.